Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble drawing. Let's start by sketching the basic shapes. First, lightly draw a large, imperfect circle or oval. This will be your main bubble. Then, add several smaller, overlapping circular shapes to form a cluster. Remember to let some bubbles extend beyond the main outline. This makes them look more natural and dynamic. Keep your lines very light for now, as we will be refining them soon. Now, let's bring your bubbles to life with light and shadow. Imagine a consistent light source, perhaps coming from the top left. For each bubble, draw a small, bright highlight near its top edge, on the side opposite your light source. Then, add a soft, crescent-shaped shadow along the bottom curve of each bubble. These simple additions will give your bubbles a three-dimensional, spherical quality. To enhance the illusion of transparency and depth, we'll refine the overlaps. Carefully erase any interior lines where one bubble appears to overlap another, making it seem like you can see through them. Next, use a slightly darker shade to define the outer edges of your bubbles, giving them more presence. You can also add subtle, faint reflections of imaginary surrounding elements within the bubble's surface for added realism. For the final touches, let's refine your bubble drawing. Gently blend the shadows and highlights to create smooth, gradual transitions, making your bubbles look truly spherical. Consider adding tiny, scattered specks of light on the bubble surfaces. This creates a beautiful, shimmering effect. For the crispest, brightest highlights, a white gel pen or a touch of opaque white paint works wonderfully, making your bubbles truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.